Welcome to an all-new episode of Chase's Kingdom. I'm Chase, your host. If you're new to the channel, we do everything Funko, all the latest and greatest releases. We do mystery unboxings, subscription unboxings, and sometimes we dabble in a little bit of everything else. But today, it's Spider-Man Day. We got the newest Spider-Man and Doc Ock. Oh, they're pretty awesome. They're pretty awesome. Let's do this.
Incoming transmission. Incoming transmission. Incoming transmission. Incoming transmission. Data connection established. Syncing with host.
And we're back. Oh man, we got the new Target exclusive Spider-Man and Doc Ock. We got to get these guys out of the box, check them out. Oh man, let's go right out the gate. Let's check out Spider-Man. Let's check out this Spider-Man. This thing is amazing. The Amazing Spider-Man. Pretty freaking awesome. Box number 956. It's pretty sweet. The rest of the line, they've just released all these, and you can find these at most of your Targets. Peeking at you, peeking at you. Let's get this guy out of the box. All right, guys, this thing is awesome. It's the classic Amazing Spider-Man. There's not a lot of detail, but what detail they actually did is pretty cool, pretty cool. He's got the cool webbing inlay. Oh, this is cool. And he's doing his web sling. He's doing the web sling. All right. I love me some Spider-Man. This is cool. I love that they just gave him the regular pose. Oh man, let's get this guy on the spinner. Oh, that was awesome. I tell you what, he is a must-have for you Spidey collectors out there. Classic pose, classic suit. Just, I love it. I love it. Nice and simple. Nice and simple. Let's get into that Doc Ock. Another Target exclusive Doc Ock. Look at this, guys. Oh, man. This is pretty awesome. Box number 957. Peeking at you. Pretty cool. I love the fact they put the city in the background there. That's pretty sweet. Oh man, let's get this guy out of the box. This is awesome. This is totally cool. Love this pop. Oh, he's got the glasses, rocking his glasses, the bowl cut hair. Got your mechanical arms. This is cool, man. Let's get him on the spinner. Oh, guys, what do you think? Are you going to be looking for this? Drop a comment below. What do you think of this guy? What do you think of that classic Spider-Man? Just as cool. I love these guys. Oh, man. He looked really great on that spinner. Oh, I love the boots. He's even got, I mean, they added a couple little details. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. Once again, we've come to the end of the episode. Make sure you hit that subscription and that notification bell for future videos and future content like this. And you can always join me every Saturday morning for Morning Brew Funko Review on Chase's Kingdom, 9:30, 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Well, until next time, good hunting, everybody!